back, turn back to the corner, touch, press, turn your left palm, change your weight back, separate your hands, turn your palms forward, push, and then change your weight, big hand and scoop, lift your toes, single whip to the corner. That's it. So bring your right hand up, left hand down, turn your torso, your weight stays forward, change your weight back, turn back to the corner, touch and press. Turn your left palm, change your weight back, separate your hands and push. Change your weight back, big hand and scoop, turn, change your weight, lift your toes, turn out, step with your heel, single whip to the corner. So you should be looking through your left hand.
Oh, I should be looking through.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.